EaseUS has a free AI Stem Splitter, which I recently discovered. Now, apparently this is going to allow you to separate drums, piano, guitar, bass, and other instruments from a song. And obviously, those of you who know me, or who've known me for like a number of years will know I used to have a music career. And I still consider music one of my, main passions. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to drop in one of my old songs here. And as you can see, you can select whether you want only drums, only bass, only piano, or only guitar. Okay, cool. So we've got the drums separated out. Let's hear it. So this is one of my old songs called Worry About Me. Okay, cool. So that's the original. This is just the drums. Cool. Interesting, and this is it without the drums.
Life has been nothing new from change. That's what I thought I needed. Heads down, funds up. Never pleaded or conceded. I was running around town, all my shoes down to the sole. Scanning how now to survive, I'ma sell my soul. Working hard is...
Wow, this is pretty good, I'll be honest. I've seen a bunch of these, and I've also been a professional sound engineer for, at least over 5 years now, so quite a while. And there's very minimal sort of warping I can hear. And perhaps that's even a phasing issue, but for the most part, this is pretty good. I can hear, I think it's a phasing issue, or at least a bit of warping there.
That's what I thought I needed. Heads down, funds up. Never pleaded or conceded. I was running around town, all my shoes down to the sole.
Okay, cool. For the most part, this is pretty good.
Wings turning heads now. Everyone wants a piece of the pie. Not just a piece, they want to set it just till the day I die.
Yeah, sweet, nice. Yeah, this ain't bad. If you've got like some tracks that you want to get out of a mix that you've got, and let's say you lost the stems or the project file, then yeah, it's definitely worth giving this a go and seeing if this could be a solution for you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.